This one is a simple remote control circuit which I have made in home using very simple and easily available components. So let me introduce you to the components. This is the receiver circuit. This is the transmitter circuit, also known as the remote. First, let me show you the receiver circuit. This is a combination of 4 cells to form a battery of 6 volts. Each cell is 1.5 volts. This is the switch and it is currently in its off position, as you can see. This one is the circuit board. It consists of 15 resistors and this is the LP212. This one. This LP212 is, and its similarly transmitting component is there in the remote or the transmitter circuit, and it recognizes the message of only the circuit in the remote. As they send a particular frequency, this one sends 27.145 megahertz frequency of infrared light, and this senses only 27.145 megahertz frequency light. So this explains the fact why different appliances work on different remotes, because different remotes sense different frequencies of infrared light and different receivers receive different frequencies of infrared light. Let me show you the other components of the receiver circuit. This is the antenna. These are the 2 motors, as you can see. These are all I have taken from toy cars, and this is the 2 propellers. I bought them. So let me show you the remote. This is the remote. These are the 2 switches. In the middle there is the indicating light, which indicates that the remote is working properly if I press a switch. This is the place to store the cells. 2 cells of 1.5 volts making a battery of 3 volts. So let me show you how it works. First, I have to keep the switch in the on position from the off position. I have done it. Now, if I push this button upwards, then the yellow propeller rotates this side, which means it is rotating counterclockwise. If I push this downwards, then it rotates clockwise. If I push this one left side, then it rotates this side, which means it is rotating counterclockwise. If I push this one right side, then it rotates this side, which means it is rotating clockwise. So I can push different buttons to rotate them in different directions, which means they can behave both as a vacuum to suck in air and a fan to give off air towards you. So I think you can understand how I have made the circuit, and I think you have got the inspiration of making your own remote control circuit. So thanks for watching.